Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add stickers to calendar events on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So stickers can be like birthday, anniversary, that can help you quickly identify if you have any special events on that particular day. Now first tap on the home key to take you back to your home screen, and then swipe up to go into app screen. In the app screen, tap on calendar. On the calendar app, now tap on the day that you would like to add a sticker. So let's say on the 14th of July, you want to add in a sticker. You tap on the sticker icon right there at the bottom, and in here you can choose a sticker. Now you can swipe across to find all the different available stickers that you can choose from. You can tap on the add button to check out some of the latest stickers. It says here data charges may apply. And this is another way for you to look for new stickers or even purchase them from the store. So cute cat. Now because my Wi-Fi is quite slow, that's why it's taking a bit of time to load the page. I'm going to tap on the back here. But basically that's how you can add in stickers. So a birthday, I'm going to choose a birthday cake as an icon, and there it is. So now it has been added. Now if you double tap on that, you can also change the stickers to something else. So perhaps anniversary. Sorry, I keep making up the mistakes. So I'm going to choose that one there. And then that's it. So now we have added a stickers to the calendar event. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.